Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious Parmesan chicken. Let's get into the recipe. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have 4 chicken breasts. I went ahead and washed them thoroughly, and I'll be using some all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon, garlic and onion powder, and black pepper. Now what you want to do is combine the seasonings, mix them really well and set aside. Next, you want to add some oil to your chicken. That will help the seasonings to adhere to the breast. Then we will generously coat it with our seasonings. You want to make sure you massage it in really well. Then we'll cover this and allow it to sit and marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. So today I'll be preparing some spaghetti to go with my Parmesan chicken, and we'll need a sauce for that. The same sauce we'll use for the Parmesan chicken. So to create that, I'll be using some onions and bell peppers. I have parsley, some diced tomatoes, as well as pasta sauce. I have some brown sugar, some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and some Italian seasoning. I also have some minced garlic. What you want to do is add some oil to your skillet, and then we'll go in with the bell peppers, onions, and garlic. We'll mix well and allow it to go for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add your pasta sauce, diced tomatoes, the seasoning, and the brown sugar. Now, I like adding the sugar because it cuts the acidity in the tomatoes. You want to mix well, set your lid on, and allow this to simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Now, if you are just doing the Parmesan chicken, you can skip this step and just use the sauce as it is. That's if you want to do that. But because I'm doing spaghetti, I need this sauce to go with my spaghetti as well. Now, once this is done, you want to garnish with some fresh parsley, and that's it. Turn the heat off and set aside. Now let's create the breading for the chicken. Here I have some all-purpose flour, some breadcrumbs, and I'll be using the same seasonings that I used to season my chicken. The only thing I added was some Italian seasoning to that. We will mix them all really well and set aside. I will leave all the correct measurements that I used down in my description box. So you'll need an egg wash. Here I have 2 eggs and some milk. You want to mix that really well until it's fully combined. And that's it. Next, we will coat our chicken into that egg wash first. And then we will coat it nicely into our breading mixture. And that's it. I like to do mine once, but if you want to do yours twice, feel free to do so. Once we're done, we'll go ahead and start frying. Here I have some oil preheating. I'll go ahead and just place the chicken breast into the oil. I'll do 2 at a time so as to not overcrowd the skillet. Once they become nice and golden brown on one side, we'll give it a flip and allow it to brown on the other side. And we will continue this process until we are all done. So for this last step, you'll need some mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and some fresh parsley. To my baking dish, I will now add some of that sauce. Feel free to add as much or as little as you like. Then we'll add our chicken there. We will add some more sauce on top of that chicken. Then we'll add our mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and we'll garnish with some fresh parsley. We'll place this into a 375-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Now you will not cover this, leave it uncovered. Once your cheese is nicely melted, that's how you know it's done. And after about 15 minutes, this is what we have here, the most delicious Parmesan chicken. It was so flavorful. The chicken was nice and moist. It was not dry and overcooked, and we truly enjoyed it. I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try. Like I said, we did pair it up with some spaghetti, and it went really well with that chicken. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button for me and enjoy.